innocent Biafrans that want to visit Orabueze. Biafrans, you should ask them, who are they working for? As for my own, my case is different. I can never know. I move. That's what is tearing them apart. So that is that voice. The final thing I wanted to show Biafrans before we take over is to show the cabinet members in the United States of Biafra cabinet. Honorable Christopher, please, if you can show the USB website to show the cabinet members that are working currently for the United States of Biafra government. Please, if you can show that on the screen where you have the cabinet members, let Biafrans know their cabinet members.
Yeah, just a minute, please.
Yeah, take your time. So when you see this mediocre that have been dismissed from the United States of Biafra government, keep telling, oh, hey, all of them. There is nobody again with Dr. Orabueze. She said, look, all that, my photo, my film, they are finding or looking for a way. That's all they're doing. By castigating. They believe maybe by castigating other people, they will gain Biafrans. Not knowing that the more you talk bad about Dr. Orabueze, the more bad things will continue to happen to you, because I'm a woman of integrity. I have class and character. I'm not a genius to undertake it to the wings, take it everywhere. I am here to help. I am here to help. That is my service. I'm not here to take. Unlike the criminals that are saying that we are using Biafra money to pay them $1,000 when they were in media, they were collecting money. People like Oje Kere was using the donation. All that was getting to be giving it to them to support their criminality. Not anymore. Go get a job. So everyone, always go to our official website, www.unitedstatesofbiafra.org. United States with an X, UnitedStatesOfBiafra.org. And here are the United States of Biafra cabinet members. Cabinet members. If you don't see anybody in this picture, Biafrans, do not listen to anything they are telling you. Let's start with our Onyendu. Mazin Nambikano is right here, and our Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Eba, and my humble self. Let's go to the next. We have Fandi, our Secretary of Finance. We have Mazi Omebuche, the head of Bureau Asia, Europe, Oceanic, United States of Biafra government. We have Honorable Ola Obunda, Secretary of Employment, Labor, and Productivity. We have Dr. Nana, Secretary of Water Resources and Environmental Management, United States of Biafra. We have Honorable Ebenezer, Secretary of Housing, Urban Development, Infrastructure. We have Honorable Gossé Jonathan, Secretary of Youth and Sport Development. All these people, we are cabinet members under Obatobie. Remember, Obatobie said, not every cabinet member in Britain will be part of this. We have Honorable Benny Anyamu, the Secretary of Oil and Gas. We have Honorable Jane Iwunze, Secretary of Justice. We have Honorable Princess Udra, Secretary of Community and Social Services. Honorable Udra was part of the committee that worked on the United States of Biafra, when we read our grievances and all that. Dr. Ferdinand Okan, Secretary of Agriculture and Natural Resources. Dr. Ngozi Akpalawa, Secretary of Education. Honorable Luke Iwunse, Senior Bureau of all these, we are cabinet members when Obatobie was around. So for those lying to you people that now all the cabinet members that were with Obatobie, they've left the Dr. Ngozi, please, those people, anyone saying that they are the criminals that have been taken away from the Biafra. Those people, Obatobie said that not all of you will be part of this. Please go ahead. We have Honorable Christopher Okenwa, the Secretary of Policy and Strategic Planning. We have Honorable Edward Ibi, Secretary of Transportation and Logistics. We have Honorable Orabueze, Director General for Foreign Affairs. We have Emmanuel Yakubu, the Secretary of Energy. We have General Rabbi Eli, the Secretary of Defense for the United States of Biafra. We have Stephen Ige, Honorable Secretary of Arts and Culture. We have Honorable Ada Eze, Secretary of Interior and Homeland Security, Mouthpiece. We have Duba L.O.M.B., Secretary of Health. We have Marcel Wachubu, Secretary of Science and Technology. We have Albu C. Favor, Secretary of State, Homeland. The United States of Biafra Sub-Cabinet. We have Honorable Apostle Dr. Steve Ajubi, who is the Deputy Director, Department of Religions and Freedom and Monitoring. We have Honorable Tochi Naman, Deputy Secretary, Information, Telecommunication and Postal. That was the one who go too fast and was lying to you people that I went to put the daughter of Governor of ex-Governor of Nigeria into the United States of Biafra cabinet. Instead of him who go too fast and Dr. who are so disrespectful to be in the information department, I went and put on the Tochi Mama. Tochi was part of the cabinet when the PM was here. She was part of the United States of Biafra subcommittee. She was in a committee approved by the Prime Minister to usher in a new project for the United States of Biafra. We have Honorable Francisca Okone Mbodile as the Deputy Secretary of Health and Human Resources. We have Honorable Obale Wadioka, who is the Deputy Secretary for Transportation and Logistics. We have Reverend Harry Agumwan, Deputy Secretary of Education. We have Honorable Victoria Frank, Deputy Secretary for Social Community Services. We have Honorable Pastor Rose, Director, Department of Disabilities. We have Honorable Teddy Emedana, Deputy Secretary, Oil and Gas Department. I think that is all. So thank you so much, Honorable Kusolo. We can go back. So now, Biafrans, can't you even see that this cabinet, we're doing too much, right? We're doing too much in that cabinet, right? But these are committed cabinet members that understand what we are doing. These are committed cabinet members. You will see them running up and down, running their mouth publicly. Those that tell you, oh, baby, and I'm going to after the class, Hanchalina, what did you see here? You see all of them, right? That which Rabbi there says, not all of them will enter the promised land. These that we've shown you that are the United States of Biafra website are those that are currently running the United States of Biafra cabinet. And the reason why I have to take time to tell you this is those that lie to you that, hey, I know what problem. Candidate in America, what's in here, because they're saying that because they've been out from the cabinet. They don't merit to be in the cabinet. They don't have the qualifications, the class, and the character to be part of the United States of Biafra government. That's why they were kicked out. So when they tell you that there is nobody in the United States of Biafra cabinet, please go on our website and ask them one by one, who is this person? On that note, from there, I hand it over to you. Thank you so much, dear friends.
Wow. Truth bomb. Truth bomb. Thank you very much.